Hey guys, so here's a video how to draw a funny looking bat. It's an actual bat though, guys, but it's gonna be a little crooked though. But it's just funny, guys. It's supposed to be funny. Alright. So guys. So I'll just retrace this one, guys. Give me a sec. Okay, guys. So this is how you're gonna want to start off, guys. Drawing a circle. Alright. So when you draw the circle, you guys don't want to draw a wing. Just go up like this, down pretty long, go up a little like this, then just make a line and make it so it's like right here, guys. Alright, then do the same thing, but this one just might go down a little, up pretty long, down long, side, make it a little longer, down. Alright, so I actually messed up right here, guys. Alright, so that pretty funny, guys, right there. So this way you guys add a little eyebrows. You guys can see. So this is gonna be a goofy, guys. Alright, color, like, make them in. Alright.
So, make a line, guys, hold it like this, one touch at the end,